In the middle of the conversation, Aditya Mohan has said that when we have installing any online application, then we get a reminder like a 18 plus notification. Aditya Mohan, by putting your hand on your heart, that say that it's you following these rules.
First of all, we are not discussing about our individual things that I follow or not. It's the thing that it is provided to us. If I will not follow any rules, that's my problem. That's the problem of the social media.
Then how it's a blessing? It's not a blessing. We can say it is a curse because we are not getting as a secure anything, any data we cannot store here as a secure manner. Then how we will say that it's a blessing? It's not a blessing. It's a curse.
That our data is easily spread over internet and can be leaked everywhere. But it also can be countered easily. If we are using social media, our data can be countered easily that where it is spread or not. Our government has many rules and regulations over that communications and social media platforms that where you are sharing the data, it will be provided to the government that where data is shared. But we are saying about the offline medium. If some person you have shared your data to someone and he leaked that thing, you can't track that. But in social media, you can track it easily that where is the data you have shared is gone.
Did you have said that the government has provided us a application that from where we can store our data in a secure manner? But the till now that's the crime does not stop. We are going with the help of that type of application. The crimes moving forward. Till now we cannot stop our crime. That we have seen that if any person has leaked some banked account detail, then suddenly after some time, its all monies get deducted of the account.
I will share something about myself. That some in the on the day of the Diwali, my father's mobile was stolen, and there was a fraud of my 60,000 rupees from the father's account. And you have said that the money can be easily transferred to someone. In the same manner, the government has provided us a cyber security thing. That's a call number 1930 where you can call it, where you can call and say that I have not transferred my money, and it can be blocked in only 20 or 30 minutes.
Yeah, they have said that the social media is a blessing. Then I have arise one question. We have seen a news in the last months that the one Indian actress, the pictures has get spread with the help of AI tools. At the time, if they have blessing, then the picture which is spread that's not good. Then we can say it's not a blessing. It's a curse. Did you have agree with this?
I completely agree with your point. At the end of the discussion, I would like to thank you all to have a decent discussion in a proper manner, in a decent manner.